Here is Danny, and today many new leaks have dropped for Battlefield 6, and this video is about a new leak that has dropped for Battlefield 6 Portal. And there's something very cool if it is true and makes it in, of course, because we're still in pre-alpha, so anything can change. Leaky Boy Fennec has mentioned something called the Battlefield Builder, with the subtext: leverage the complete Battlefield toy box with powerful tools to create new and completely unique Battlefield experiences. Visit portal.battlefield.com or scan the QR code to access the Battlefield Builder, which you can host locally and offline on your own system. And it has been a very long time since we could host anything locally on our own PC, so that is great. But what is the toy box they mean? Well, the text itself is from the Battlefield Portal webpage, so the block editor, but that ain't running local. Maybe it is paired with a new map editor, or the artificial intelligence tool that EA spoke about in their investor talks, where it is using Battlefield and EA's asset library to create maps with a prompt, as detailed in this 3-minute long video. And don't just click away, I will be talking more after this. Just saying.
All this space, imagination, and creation. To bring this to life, let me show you a concept video that stitches together some of our more exciting experiments in service of imagination to creation. Let's take a look.
Hey, what if we made a game out of cardboard boxes?
Yeah, let's do it.
Make a maze of cardboard boxes. What do you think?
Not bad. But maybe a little too simple. Make it more complex. How's that?
What if we make it multi-level? Whoa, let's give that one a go.
That's cool. All right. Who are we going to play as? Make 2 characters with weapons. I want...
Okay, let's see. Here we
I
go.
like this one.
Now, my weapon of choice.
Ooh. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, that's cool, but how do we fight? Show me 1v1 combat options.
It should be a death match.
Right?
Here I come.
You gotta find me first.
Wait, what if we made it so we could only die from a grenade?
Oh, now I'm definitely going to win. Add a rule that you can only die by grenade.
I'm almost there.
I've got something for you. Almost got you.
Nice try.
Ugh, dead end. I think this world needs to be bigger. Make it more epic. Wow. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Let me take a moment to describe some of the more transformative elements embedded in the video you just saw. What you saw was an illustration of 2 friends jumping into an open sandbox and then creating a new world made of boxes in real time without any coding expertise and in a matter of seconds. They then quickly shifted to remixing existing elements from their favorite EA games, asset libraries, databases, and communities, elements like characters, weapons, gameplay systems, and logic. Even here, the incredible thing is they were able to do this instantaneously using nothing more than natural language. This remixing of foundational elements would not be possible without EA's massive proprietary dataset, which includes hundreds of thousands of high-quality 3D assets, millions of lines of code, billions of gameplay hours, and trillions of telemetry events. This is all invaluable data as we think about the training of our own custom creation models. And our dataset grows by the minute as we're a digital life services company with millions of daily touchpoints with our communities.
So yeah, they specifically mentioned that they're working on something and that they have a massive library, so there is some actual thought behind this that this might be coming to Battlefield 6. Also, some strings mention a whole list of things, where normally assets would either link to its own map, like MP dish bababooey, or its art assets common, no map specific items prop, and that is for Battlefield 2042 Portal. But now it is a truly massive list that all starts with game, Glacier Portal, mod builder prefabs, created spatials, PF portal comes with you blah 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 police. So here it is actually using the assets to use in the mod builder, which the block thing is. So maybe it is related to that, and time will tell. I wonder how Portal is gonna work in offline mode though. Alternatively, the subtext can just be placeholder and it is really gonna be a map editor. That would be great. Or it is something else. Now, I would really love a map editor. And full disclosure, the videos towards the end were all made with Google's VO2. If you talk about AI generated Battlefield maps, I think it is an interesting thing to use AI generated Battlefield gameplay. Like, it really nails the style. It has zero logic, but it's fascinating in my opinion. And could honestly work really well to like check new concepts out, like the little clip over at the pyramids. I am super annoyingly impressed with this. But hey, that's all I got for now. Subscribe for more. This was Danny and I see you on the battlefield.